4 sons disowned and exiled, while 1 daughter lives in luxury. What led King Vajiralongkorn of Thailand to make such a drastic decision about his children's futures? King Vajiralongkorn, also known as Rama X, ascended to the Thai throne in 2016. He quickly gained a reputation for his eccentric behavior and complicated personal life, which included multiple marriages and divorces. But it's his treatment of his children that has raised eyebrows around the world. In this video, we'll explore the motivations behind King Vajiralongkorn's decisions and their far-reaching implications for his family and the Thai monarchy. In 1994, King Vajiralongkorn, then Crown Prince, married Sujarani Mahidol, a former actress. Their union produced 5 children, 4 sons and 1 daughter, Princess Sirivannavari. This new family seemed to embody the hopes of a nation, with the royal bloodline secure and the future of the monarchy assured. However, the fairy tale was short-lived. Accusations of infidelity against Sujarani soon surfaced, setting in motion a chain of events that would tear the family apart. The king's response was swift and merciless. In a shocking display of power, he plastered disrespectful posters of Sujarani throughout the palace, publicly humiliating his wife and the mother of his children. This act of retribution marked the beginning of the end for their marriage, which culminated in divorce in 1996. The fallout from this scandal had far-reaching consequences, particularly for his children. In a move that stunned the nation, King Vajiralongkorn stripped his 4 sons of their royal titles and forced them into exile in the United States. This decision effectively erased them from the royal lineage and denied them the privileges and responsibilities that come with their birthright. Yet, amidst this family upheaval, 1 child was spared, Princess Sirivannavari. While her brothers were cast out, she was brought back to Thailand and allowed to live a life of luxury. This stark contrast in treatment raises questions about the motivations behind the king's decisions. The reasons for this uneven treatment are complex and multifaceted. Some speculate that the king's personal attachment to his daughter played a significant role. Cultural biases may have also influenced his choice, as male heirs have traditionally been viewed as more important in many monarchies. However, in this case, it was the princess who retained her royal status while her brothers were cast aside. This favoritism towards Princess Sirivannavari had profound implications for her life. While her brothers struggled to adapt to life in exile, she enjoyed the privileges of royalty, including access to the best education, resources, and opportunities. Her success in sports and fashion stands in stark contrast to the challenges faced by her siblings. The king's decisions illuminate the immense power wielded by the Thai monarchy and the far-reaching consequences of personal choices made at the highest levels of leadership. Cultural expectations surrounding royal family dynamics in Thailand likely played a role in shaping these decisions, but they also reflect the king's individual biases and emotions. This family drama serves as a poignant reminder of how quickly fortunes can change, even for those born into the highest echelons of society. The 4 princes, once destined for lives of privilege and responsibility, found themselves suddenly cut off from their heritage and forced to forge new paths in a foreign land. Meanwhile, their sister continued to bask in the glow of royal favor, her future secure and her position unchallenged. The contrast between the fates of the siblings raises important questions about fairness, justice, and the nature of power. How does one reconcile the image of a loving father with a monarch willing to cast out his own children? What long-term effects might these decisions have on the stability and perception of the Thai monarchy? The stark contrast between the fates of King Vajiralongkorn's children paints a vivid picture of how personal choices can lead to vastly different life trajectories, even within the same family. The 4 sons, once destined for lives of royal privilege, found themselves thrust into a world of unexpected challenges and hardships. Upon their arrival in the United States in 1997, the exiled princes faced a reality far removed from their former royal lifestyle. Granted political asylum and citizenship, they embarked on a journey of survival and self-discovery. The transition was far from smooth, with financial struggles and emotional hardship marking their early years in a foreign land. Perhaps the most poignant example of their newfound circumstances came from Juta Vachara, the eldest son. In a stark departure from his royal upbringing, he found himself selling hot dogs at the Daytona 500 races to support the family during their initial struggles in the US. This image of a former prince working a humble job to make ends meet encapsulates the dramatic shift in their fortunes. The emotional toll of their exile was evident in a heartbreaking statement made by the sons. "Our father never loved us or treated our mother as his wife." This raw admission reveals the deep-seated pain and sense of abandonment that accompanied their physical displacement. However, adversity often breeds resilience, and the 4 princes proved to be no exception. Despite the challenges they faced, each of them went on to achieve remarkable success in their chosen fields. Jutavachara, who once sold hot dogs to survive, eventually earned a master's degree in aeronautical science and worked in aircraft engineering before obtaining a Juris Doctor. His brothers followed suit in their pursuit of education and career success. Vajrayesorn earned a master's degree in law and now works as an attorney. Chakriwat completed a BA in psychobiology and became a medical doctor, while Vajrawi obtained 2 bachelor's degrees in international business and finance. The prince's journey from royal heirs to self-made professionals is a testament to their determination and adaptability. Their story serves as a powerful reminder that true nobility lies not in titles or birthright, but in one's ability to overcome adversity and forge a meaningful path in life. In stark contrast to her brother's struggles, Princess Sirivannavari's life took a vastly different trajectory. Retained by King Vajiralongkorn and brought back to Thailand, she enjoyed all the privileges and opportunities that come with royal status. Her life of luxury stood in sharp relief to the hardships faced by her siblings. Princess Sirivannavari's success was not limited to her royal status. She excelled in various fields, particularly in sports and fashion. Her achievements in equestrian events and badminton earned her numerous accolades, showcasing her athletic prowess. But it was in the world of fashion that she truly made her mark. In 2007, at just 20 years old, Princess Sirivannavary hosted her own fashion show in Paris, a feat that many designers can only dream of. This event catapulted her into the international fashion scene, leading to collaborations with renowned brands and cementing her status as a style icon. The divergent paths of the siblings illuminate the profound impact of the king's choices on their lives. While the princes faced adversity and forged their own success through hard work and determination, Princess Sirivannavary flourished under the protective umbrella of royal privilege. Both stories, in their own way, speak to the resilience and capability of these individuals. The unexpected return of Vajrayesorn, the second son of King Vajiralongkorn, to Thailand after 27 years of exile, marked a significant moment in the royal family's history. This unannounced visit sparked speculation and raised questions about the potential for reconciliation within the fractured family. Vajrayesorn's visit was multifaceted, blending personal exploration with official engagements. He immersed himself in Thai culture, enjoying local cuisine and visiting temples, reconnecting with the heritage he had been separated from for so long. However, the visit also included a meeting with the Supreme Patriarch of the Buddha Sangha, suggesting a more formal aspect to his return. The palace's silence on the matter only fueled further speculation. Some observers interpreted the lack of official statement as a tacit approval from King Vajiralongkorn, hinting at a possible thawing of relations between the monarch and his estranged sons. This potential shift in royal dynamics could have far-reaching implications for the Thai monarchy. The timing of Vajrayesorn's visit is particularly intriguing when considering the current state of the Thai royal family. Princess Bajrakita Yabha, King Vajiralongkorn's eldest child from his first marriage, has been in a coma since December 2022. Additionally, there are unconfirmed reports about Prince Dipankorn, the king's youngest son and presumptive heir, potentially having learning difficulties. These circumstances may have prompted a reevaluation of the royal succession plan. With no officially acknowledged heirs and concerns about the stability of the monarchy, King Vajiralongkorn might be reconsidering the role his estranged sons could play in the future of the Thai royal family. The public and media response to Vajrayesorn's visit has been largely positive, with many expressing hope for a family reconciliation. This sentiment reflects a desire for stability and continuity within the monarchy, which plays a central role in Thai society and politics. For Vajrayesorn and his brothers, this visit could represent a first step towards reintegration into royal life. After years of building successful lives and careers in the United States, they may now have the opportunity to reconnect with their royal heritage and potentially contribute to their home country in new ways. However, the road to reconciliation, if indeed that is the goal, is likely to be complex and fraught with challenges. Years of estrangement and public humiliation have left deep scars, and rebuilding trust within the family will take time and effort. The potential reintegration of the exiled princes also raises questions about the future role of Princess Sirivannavary. How might her position change if her brothers were to return to royal duties? The dynamics within the royal family could shift dramatically, potentially altering the course of the Thai monarchy for generations to come. This unexpected turn of events demonstrates how evolving circumstances can lead to new choices and potential shifts in long-standing dynamics. King Vajiralongkorn's decision to exile his sons was once seen as irreversible, but time and changing situations may have opened the door to new possibilities. King Vajiralongkorn's decisions have profoundly shaped the lives of his children and the future of the Thai monarchy. His choice to exile 4 sons while favoring his daughter created a stark divide within the royal family, with far-reaching consequences for all involved. The exiled princes were forced to rebuild their lives in a foreign land, facing challenges that ultimately led to their personal and professional growth. Meanwhile, Princess Sirivanavari thrived under royal patronage, achieving success in sports and fashion. These contrasting outcomes highlight the immense power wielded by those in positions of authority. However, the recent visit of Achureson to Thailand suggests that even seemingly irreversible decisions can be reconsidered. This unexpected turn of events opens the possibility for reconciliation and a reshaping of the Thai monarchy's future. It serves as a reminder that the choices made by those in power can have lasting impacts, but also that change and healing remain possible, even in the most complex family dynamics. And just when you thought the drama couldn't get any more shocking, wait until you hear about King Vajiralongkorn's royal wedding to his bodyguard. Yes, you heard that right. A wedding so secret, so unexpected, that it left royal insiders completely stunned. But what's the real story behind this controversial marriage? How did the Thai king pull off this shocking twist? And what does it mean for the future of the monarchy? Don't miss out. Tap on the next video to uncover all the juicy details.